A father can have a significant and lasting impact on their child's life. They play a vital role in providing guidance, support, and love throughout their child's journey. Here are some ways in which a father is a special influence. Role model. A father serves as a role model for their child, demonstrating values, principles, and behaviors to emulate. By observing their father's actions, a child can learn important life lessons and develop a sense of responsibility, integrity, and resilience. Unconditional love and support. A father's love and support can be a constant source of strength and encouragement. They are often there to provide emotional support, celebrate achievements, and offer a listening ear during challenging times. A father's belief in their child's abilities can instill confidence and motivate them to pursue their dreams. Teach life skills. Fathers often play a vital role in teaching their children essential life skills. From learning to ride a bike to tying shoelaces, a father's guidance helps children develop practical skills that will serve them well throughout their lives. Additionally, they may impart valuable knowledge and experiences in areas such as problem-solving, decision-making, and financial literacy. Emotional development. Fathers can play a crucial role in a child's emotional development. By providing a safe and nurturing environment, they encourage their children to express their feelings, develop empathy, and understand the importance of healthy relationships. Fathers who actively engage in emotional bonding activities, such as playing games, sharing stories, or simply spending quality time together, contribute to their child's overall emotional well-being. Values and morals. Fathers often play a significant role in shaping their child's moral compass and values. Through their words and actions, they instill principles such as honesty, respect, kindness, and empathy. Fathers can also impart a sense of social responsibility and guide their children to become compassionate and engaged members of society. Every individual's experience with their father is unique, and the impact they have on their child's life can vary. However, a loving and supportive father can create a strong foundation for their child's personal growth, well-being, and success in various aspects of life.